Hello, in front of me I've got Corsair K65 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to hot swap switches. In the original package of this keyboard we can find this switch and keycap spooler. Firstly, using this part, remove the keycap. And now, using the other part, place it over the switch like this, squeeze it from both sides and gently pull it up. Now you can replace the switch. During replacing, make sure to place it correctly to match pins located here. Push it in and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.